Why are we going so slow? What are we doing there? Why have we just suddenly stopped? Why have we just suddenly stopped? Oh, just move! Just move! Absolute nutcase! Bye, kid.
To Target, that's the big store in America, to buy some nail clippers and some nose hair trimmers. But the employees were right on me, asking for selfies and telling me they loved me. And I cleaned up some of the language here. 2 minutes later, I get hit with a major urge to take a poo.
गरम करो
ना चला 24 डिग्री 22
22
ઓલો રોહિતને કીધો એટલે મારા ડ્રોપ ભૂલી ગયા છે
क्या
અહીં એપ્લિકેશન કરે ફ્રીજ
नहीं तो भाई यार ना भाई ना ब्रो ना
તો પાડી લે
This next clip shows one of the most shocking pieces of driving I've ever witnessed. It happened on Meanwood Road in Leeds, at the junction with Monk Bridge Road. Before we roll the footage, it's important to point out that there is no right turn from Monk Bridge Road onto Meanwood Road. But as you're about to see, the driver of a blue Vauxhall Mocha comes up with a truly dangerous and unbelievable way to get around that restriction. Absolutely unbelievable. From the rear camera, it's clear the driver intended to turn right and was willing to put pedestrians and cyclists at risk by driving across the corner where no one would ever expect a vehicle to appear. If you were a pedestrian or cyclist here, this could have ended very differently.
We're here at the traffic lights in Sevenoaks, waiting patiently to move into the left filter lane. Sometimes you just have to hold back for a moment, that's normal driving. But the silver Polo behind us seems to think patience is optional, and instead of waiting like everyone else, they decide to drive onto the pavement, across people's driveways, right where a pedestrian could appear at any second. Just to be clear, the rule 145 of the Highway Code says you must not drive on the pavement except for lawful access or in an emergency. This is dangerous, it's reckless, and it's totally unnecessary. So Silver Polo FW12 FRJ, if waiting at a red light is proving a bit tricky, may I recommend you go to Sevenoaks Driving Lessons. We teach safe driving without using the pavement as a shortcut.
Fucking me. Where's he going? Away, man. Where the hell are they going? Where on earth are they going?